For today's unboxing video, we have the Feker, not sure how to correctly pronounce it, IK75 keyboard. This is a custom 75% mechanical keyboard, one that has a knob, which is a keyboard size or form factor that is gaining a lot of traction these days. The IK75 comes in a number of configurations, with this particular one that I have being the V3 or wired version, not the V3 Pro. And this is supposedly QMK and VIA compatible, as you can see on the front of the box. This doesn't have wireless connectivity, so there are no internal batteries, and can only be used with the removable USB Type-C wire. As also seen here on the front, this is a gasket mounted keyboard, but one that doesn't offer that much flexing due to the nature of the included gaskets or dampeners. It also supposedly comes in a variety of colors, with this one being the black version. It seems that they didn't change the print on the box depending on the model or variant, as this one still says that there's an internal battery. Opening it up, we see this smaller box inside, containing the included Type A to Type C USB cable. A great bonus here is the hard plastic cover for the keyboard, which comes very handy for keeping the keyboard clean in rooms where dust is always present. Taking away the box, as there seems to be nothing else in it. Inside this plastic bag is the included PC or polycarbonate plate. And a smaller plastic bag containing some screws. Here's the IK75, and before I forget, it's a translucent black, not a solid color, which means you would be able to see some of the internals, albeit a little hazy. The knob feels decent, with some minor wiggle that isn't really bothering. Here at the bottom, the label states that this is the IK75 Pro, which, to be honest, I'm still confused about. This wired version is either the V3, V3 Pro, or just the Pro. Okay, enough about that. This keyboard has two-stage flip-out feet at the top side, and these simple rubber pads at the bottom part. The IK75 has a north-facing PCB and can accommodate 3-pin or 5-pin switches. And that's it for this unboxing video of the Feker IK75 75% custom mechanical keyboard. Watch out for a future video wherein I'll be performing some simple mods to further improve this already decent keyboard. Click that like and subscribe button. Thank you as always. See you in the next one.